Hello everyone, it's Mudit and this is the 17th video of the game. So in this video I was going to show you shadows. So before you wonder why the script is so small, it's because a few weeks ago I split the script into multiple individual files in this folder right here. So it's much easier to keep track of stuff now, and I can also sort out errors and stuff like that easily because I know exactly where the error is. So I'll quickly run the script and show you. So shadows was a very difficult thing to implement, but it's not that difficult to understand it as a concept. The concept is simple. For each frame that we are generating, we first capture the frame from the sun looking onto the world. And then when we capture the scene normally, we find out if each pixel is visible by the sun or not. So as you can see, the shadows are working right now. And it may be a bit pixelated, but that's just how it is in most games. You can't prevent it. You can only reduce the error, but you can't make it zero. So in the settings, I provide many options right here. So if I disable shadows, it looks like this. This is how it looked all this time. And I was actually happy with how it looked. But then now, once I made shadows, I realized that there was so much more potential. And this is so much better when we have shadows, especially when the grass causes shadow onto grass itself, not just grass causing shadow onto terrain. So you can adjust these values right here. So if I increase the intensity, then the shadow gets darker, and if I decrease it, then it gets brighter like this. It gets dimmer. It just gets disabled if I make it completely zero. And accuracy right here, if I reduce this, then it gets even more pixelated. And if I decrease the softness, then it becomes like Minecraft shadows, blocky. And if I increase this, then it gets a bit blurrier, like this. And shadow range is basically because you can't have unlimited shadows. You can't have the shadows working for the entire world because computers are somewhat limited. And you can have it, but it won't run fast enough. It will lag a lot. So you can increase the range, but the quality reduces a lot when you do that. So as you can see, if I decrease the range, then the shadows far away from you will not be clear, but the shadows near you will improve in quality, like this. You can see the individual strands of grass right now, as you can see. That's how accurate the shadows get. So that's it for this video. In the next video, I'll finally come to terrain generation, and after that we'll do model loading. So once these both are done, we can easily make the world extremely good looking because I have made many models in the past and I can simply load them all now. So the game is going to finally start changing from this basic environment to a proper game environment soon. And we have had this world look similar for the past so many videos, but that's going to change very quickly. So that's it. Thanks for watching. And if you all like these type of videos, then do consider following. Or if you know someone who may like these type of videos, then do recommend my account to that person. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.